Welcome to the introduction of the new generation NXP Green Chip Low Power Supply Control ICs, the TEA172X series. In this module, we are providing you an insight to the features of this product family. After completing the module, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the performance and advantages of the TEA172X product series. NXP MCU stands for excellence. We've consistently won awards from the media for innovation and performance. With the ARM Cortex-M continuum, M0, M3, M4, NXP covers the majority of MCU and DSC applications. Cortex-M products are upwardly code-compatible and can use the same toolchain. NXP's LPC122x is specifically designed for industrial control applications using 32-bit ARM Cortex-M0 processor targeted for 8 to 16-bit solution replacement. LPC122x has up to 128 kilobyte flash memory, new analog comparator, and real-time clock. Taking advantage of the ARM Cortex-M0 V6M 16-bit thumb instruction set, the LPC122x has up to 50% higher code density compared to common 8 to 16-bit microcontrollers performing typical tasks. The Cortex-M0 efficiency also helps the LPC122x achieve lower average power for similar applications. The LPC122x series meets demanding system requirements with its high score of over 45 in CoreMark CPU performance benchmark testing, equivalent to 1.51 MHz. It has various flash memory options from 32K to 128K, and its flash memory features 512-byte page arrays. The combined 2K to 8K SRAM options give the LPC122x series over 50 memory size options. The LPC122x features an optimized ROM-based divide library for Cortex-M0, offering several times the arithmetic performance of software-based libraries, as well as a highly deterministic cycle time combined with reduced flash code size. The LPC122x extends NXP's Cortex-M0 microcontrollers portfolio with up to 55 GPIOs, multiple timers serial channels, and new onboard peripherals including RTC, DMA, CRC, and 1% internal oscillator, which provides the required accuracy for baud rate generation. The LPC122x extends NXP's Cortex-M0 microcontrollers portfolio with up to 55 GPIOs, multiple timers serial channels, and new onboard peripherals including RTC, DMA, CRC, and 1% internal oscillator, which provides the required accuracy for baud rate generation. It also has a windowed watchdog timer with an independent internal oscillator source, designed to comply with the IEC 60730 Class B safety requirements for white goods. LPC122x's main target applications are white goods, industrial control, and home automation. All LPC122x features are tailored for such applications. Here is a block diagram of a washing machine system board demo, for example. In advanced washing machines, the LPC122x can control the motor systems, handle the user interface, monitor system power consumption, and manage off-board communications in a simple, integrated, and energy-efficient solution. Its high-current GPIO can directly control triacs without the need for external transistors, further reducing footprint and costs. Designed for high reliability and robustness, the LPC122x is rated as high immunity, based on the electrical fast transient test conducted by Langer EMV Technique GmbH per IEC 616971 recommendations. Electrostatic discharge protection is rated at 8 kilovolts. The ARM Cortex-M0 core offers multiple design benefits compared to traditional 8 to 16-bit MCUs. The LPC1200 features an optimized ROM-based divide library for Cortex-M0, offering several times the arithmetic performance of software-based libraries, as well as a highly deterministic cycle time combined with reduced flash code size. The divide library supports any 32-bit numerator and denominator. Here is a picture that compares the ROM library performance against software-based approaches. The ROM-based divide library offers code size saving and consistency in cycle time. The LPC1200 features 2-time analog comparators. Each comparator has 32 levels of voltage reference. The comparators are capable for edge and level comparison outputs and threshold detections, in conjunction of ADC. The outputs are connected to 2x 16-bit timers, which can be used for tick counter with triggering events. LPC1200's CRC supports autonomous mode and DMA. It can check data integrity without CPU intervention, and it allows customers to create their own protocol. Also, the CRC performs fast calculations based on parallel load. Traditional CRC uses serial loading, requires higher frequency. All NXP Cortex-M microcontrollers are upwardly binary compatible and offer all the advantages of a single development toolchain. Users can easily migrate their designs between Cortex-M0 and Cortex-M3 with minimal effort. The easy-to-use LPC Espresso IDE for the LPC1200 series is priced under $30. For further information on LPC Espresso and other third-party development tools, please visit www.nxp.com/LPCEspresso. Third-part supports, including Kyle, IAR, Code Red. The LPC1200 Industrial Control Series is available now in 6 initial flash sizes, including 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, and 128 kilobyte in both 48 LQFP and 64 LQFP packages. Devices in the same footprint share exactly the same peripheral sets and are fully pin compatible. For high-volume applications, the LPC1200 platform can provide rapid delivery of application-specific solutions, ASSP, for a wide range of industrial control requirements, through flexible interconnections between the interrupt controller, DMA subsystem, on-chip peripherals, and GPIO. By recognizing external and internal events and carrying out predefined tasks without CPU intervention, the CPU load is dramatically reduced, allowing the CPU to remain in power down longer. Upcoming LPC1200 derivatives will also include additional features, such as an integrated 40x4 segment display driver.